Hello, I'm Joy Carosal Molo. Today, I'm presenting about roasting. I show you our different roasting level. So, there are three roasting. We have a light roast, medium roast, and dark roast. First, light roast. So, what is light roast? Beans have light brown color and light, delicate flavor with higher acidity. They retain more of the coffee beans. Natural flavor have a layer of body. So, it's focused on the light roast coffee beans, describing there are light brown color, light and delicate flavor with higher acidity, and their presentation of natural coffee beans flavor. Next, next is medium roast. Medium roast beans have a medium brown color and a balanced flavor profile with a moderate acidity and a fuller body. They offer a wider range of flavors, including the chocolate and nutty nuts. So, the slide is especially about medium roast coffee beans. I describe their character, a medium brown color, a balanced flavor profile, moderate acidity of polar body, and nuts of chocolate nuts. Dark roast. Dark roast beans have a dark brown to almost a black color, a bold, intense flavor with lower acidity and hair and body. They often have a smoky or bitter taste. Dark roast coffee is often prepared by those who like a strong, intense coffee experience with less acidity. Next is type of coffee grains. There are three coffee grains are coarse grains, medium grains, fine grains. Coarse grain used for cold brew of French press, allowing for a lower instruction process. Coarse grains is a coffee refer to the size of coffee grounds. Coarse grains are larger and have a more texture consistency similar in a size to grains and sea salt. Next is medium grains. Stable for the drip coffee makers, balance instruction, speed, and flavor. So the taste of medium grains when the browned correctly is offer a balanced flavor not to be bitter. So not to sour because it's a middle grains, a medium grains is often a good starting point of experimentation if you are unsure which grain size in there is right for your equipment. So, however, for optimal results, it's always best to adjust your grain size to perfectly. So, match your brewing method. Fine grain. So, idle for espresso machine required a fast instruction for a concentrated shoot. So, a fine grain is a coffee referred to grounds that are very small and powder, similar in texture to pebbles, sugar, or fine sand. This small particle size is crucial for brewing methods. So where the water is extracted with the grounds correctly and intensely, because the particles are small, they release their flavor compound quickly using a fine grains, which with a brewing method that requires a coarser grind will result is over instruction leading to better and a pleasant cough.